Oh, I got Skunk's butt. There's Skunk. Hi, Skunk. Do you want to be in a video? You're so beautiful. Hey, pretty kitty. Yeah, such a pretty kitty. But this isn't your channel. It's not a Skunk-a-Lunker channel. It's a Jessica channel. Where's Jessica?
Hello.
I need to close these. There.
Okay.
Oh, look at Skunk's eyes glow in the dark.
No.
Yeah, they do. This they do. Hi, Lunk. Okay, some light for the rest of you guys. There we go. Sure.
Well, just yesterday, the person who's taking the video,
AKA Mama.
yes, he went to the community thrift store while Jessica was having rehearsal, and he bought me. And now, I'm a cat. Meow. Wanna know why she bought me?
Sure.
She bought me because Jessica has a bunch of other cats. Meow. Meow. Meow.
And don't forget Lunkers.
Meow. But none of those cats look like an actual cat, except for the real cat. And she wanted a fake cat that looked like a real cat. And so, here I come to live on the face of the planet. Whee! Yup. Yup. Okay. I make friends with Richie. Wah ha 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 ha! I love you, Richie. Look, I'm hugging you. I can hold you. I'm holding Richie. I'm melting. Hannah,
Oh, maybe not.
Hannah. I'm melting. Oh, maybe not. Mwah, ha, 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 ha. I love you, kitty. You're a Halloween kitty.